Want to turn your Canva design into a professional looking PDF? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF file in Canva, a super useful skill whether you're working on a presentation, a resume, a brochure, or an infographic. Let's get started. First, make sure your design is ready. Maybe you've created a flyer, a proposal, or a visual guide. Whatever it is, take a moment to fine-tune the details, adjust your colors, tweak your fonts, and make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it to. Once you're happy with your design, look toward the top right corner of your Canva screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. It might sound like it's just for collaboration, but this is also where you'll find all of your download options. Click Share, and a menu will appear. From that list, select Download. Now you'll see a new window with several file format options, things like PNG, JPG, and of course, PDF. Click the File Type drop-down menu and choose PDF Standard. This option is perfect if you want a lightweight file that's easy to share or email. It keeps your design looking clean and clear without taking up too much space. If you're planning to print your design and want the highest quality possible, you can also select PDF Print instead. That option preserves finer details and higher resolution, perfect for professional prints or client materials. Once you've made your selection, double check that everything's set the way you like and then hit Download. Canva will process your design for a few seconds, and your PDF file will be ready to save directly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF file in Canva. PDFs are a fantastic way to keep your design looking consistent across devices. No formatting issues, no image distortion. Whether you're sending it to a client, uploading it online, or archiving your work, this method ensures your design looks exactly as intended. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more bite-sized Canva tips to make your design process easier and faster.